Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix the feature you are trying to use is on a network resource that is unavailable error while installing a specific program. So here we have different solutions to fix this issue. Starting with solution number 1. In this case, you need to ensure that the Windows installer service is running. And for this, you have to right click on the start button and select run, type services.msc and click OK. In the services window, scroll down and locate Windows installer service. Double click on this service to modify its status. Here you can see that service status is stopped. Just simply click on the start button here. Once you click on the start button, the service will initiated and will be running. You can then try installing the program and the issue must be resolved. In case if you still face the issue, continue troubleshooting with solution number 2. In this case, you have to use Program Install and Uninstall troubleshooter from Microsoft. This is an official troubleshooter. The link has been mentioned in the video description. You can just directly use that link to download Program Install and Uninstall troubleshooter. When you launch it, you will see the advanced link there. Just click on it and make sure that apply repairs automatically is checked and then click next and let the troubleshooter be working on. So here it is asking whether you are installing or uninstalling. Just select the case applied to you and then here select the program with which you are facing this error and click next, and the troubleshooter will then prompt you. Just work on accordingly and it will help you to resolve the issues currently arising with the program. And once its troubleshooting has been completed, you will be able to finally resolve this problem. If the issue still persists, you can continue with solution number 3. In this case, you can try to change the installation location from the program. In case if you are installing a program and facing this error, make sure to download the correct installer, and I also recommend to change the location of the installation directory for the program, and that should help you to resolve this problem. And finally, coming to the last solution for this video, fix. In this case, we will use registry manipulation to resolve this problem. Right click on the start button and select run, type regedit and click OK. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. In the registry editor window, go to H key local machine, software, classes, installer, products. When you expand the products registry key, you will have different subkeys with different number naming, and you have to identify the correct registry subkey for the program you are facing trouble with. So just highlight a registry subkey and pay attention to the corresponding right pane and check out the value data for the product name registry string. That will help you to identify the correct program you are facing trouble with. Once you locate the correct program registry subkey, you can just export this registry subkey to a convenient place. So here I am exporting this registry subkey as a backup, and once done, you can simply remove this registry subkey by right click on it and select delete. Click yes in the confirmation prompt. After this, the registry subkey will be deleted and you have to restart the system, and then you can retry installing or uninstalling the program and the issue should be resolved. So that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.